Hello guys, welcome to this chapter, Instagram Tools. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to add multiple links on Instagram. Instagram allows you to add one link to your bio. So what if you want to add more? Let me show you how to do it. Use your mobile app to access the link. Go to Google and search for Linktree. Click Linktree's website. Take note of the URL link. Then click the sign up button. Click the button to sign up with your existing Instagram account since we're going to apply this to our Instagram profile. Follow the procedure. Log into your Instagram account. Authorize Linktree to access your basic information. Click Authorize. This will be your username. Your name is automatically filled up here and input your email address. Confirm your details here. Choose 3 categories that best describe your Linktree. Click these checkboxes. Then click Save Details. You need to select a plan from Linktree. You have the option to choose from the free plan or the pro version. Let's use the free plan. Now you have successfully created your Linktree account. This is your Linktree URL. Copy this and let's go to our Instagram business profile. Click Edit Profile. Remove any existing websites you placed here. Then paste the Linktree URL. Let's go back to our Linktree account. Click Add New Link. You can add the title and the URL here. Then click Add New Link again to add a new link. Click this button to activate this link. Now let's go back to our Instagram profile. Click the Linktree URL. As you can see here, this is our Linktree account and it shows you 3 button links to the websites that we have added earlier in our Linktree profile. When people click your Linktree URL on your Instagram profile, they will be directed to this page. They can access your multiple websites, like in this example, a YouTube channel, an online shopping website, and your Facebook account linked into your Instagram bio. That is how easy you can add multiple links on your Instagram profile. We can now proceed to the next topic, which is using different websites to get free images for your Instagram account. You may search Google for Pixabay and click this link, or you can directly go to Pixabay.com. You can use these links to browse new photos and choose among these photos to download, or click illustrations to browse this kind of graphics that you can use for your Instagram posts. You can also browse vectors. When you try to click on a vector image, you'll see the button Free Download. This will show you options of dimensions that you can download. With vectors, you have the option to download this image as a vector file where you can edit this file using an image editing software like Photoshop. Just choose the dimension you want to download, then click the download button. You will see this pop-up window, and you must click the checkbox to be able to download this image. As you see the check icon, you can now download this image. This is optional, so you can ignore this. Here's our downloaded image. Pixabay has videos where you can download them for free. This is useful for uploading short videos for your profile. You can see the quality of the video here. This video has a 4K quality with a 19-second length of video, and below is an HD quality video with a 15-second video length. When you click on it, you will notice that the quality of the video is stunning. You can use this video for free and edit this by placing additional texts. When you click the free download button, you also have the dimensions for the video as MP4 and also indicating the size of each dimension. Let's check another video with an HD quality. If you may notice, the sizes of each dimension on an HD quality video is much lower than the 4K video. You can browse images, vectors, and videos and download them for free. You don't need to sign up for an account to be able to download images and videos. Lastly, you can use the search bar to find images that you want to download. So let's search for a video. You may notice that when you place your mouse pointer above the video thumbnail, it will show you a preview of that video. Under Explore, you can also browse popular images, popular videos, popular searches, and images by photographers. You can view their latest image uploads and the number of images they have uploaded. There are tons of free stock image websites where you can download images and videos for free. One of them is Pixabay. Another website, Pexel, is also another great website to look for images and videos, as well as Unsplash.com, having tons of categories to choose from. Downloading images from Unsplash and Pexel is very easy. Now that you have learned about using Pixabay, Pexel, and Unsplash to download free images, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is creating customized images for Instagram. Instagram photos need to be high-quality images and should be able to catch people's attention when they see it on their feed. You can have the option to add more images and text using free images that you have downloaded. We can use canva.com to create and design images for anything. You just need to sign up for an account. You have the options to sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or any of your email address. As you can see here, you can choose from these custom dimensions available in Canva. As you place your mouse over the image, you can see the custom dimension for each category. For Instagram, you can see the default dimension for posts is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Let's click the Instagram post category. Here's a recent image that was customized in my account. You can click the plus icon or click the Add New Page button below this image to create another image to customize. On the left side, you can choose from the templates available for Instagram posts. When you click on these available templates, our chosen template will be shown here. In our chosen image, you may notice that this image has a watermark. If you click Remove Watermark, you will need to pay for it to use this image. We don't want to purchase anything, so let's replace the image. Click on this image that we want to replace and click the Delete key from your keyboard. If you choose Uploads, you'll be able to upload new photos or choose from the images that you have uploaded before. You can upload an image. Just click this button to upload an image from your computer. Let's click the image that we have uploaded. You may notice it has covered the circle here. To make the circle visible, right-click on the image, then choose Send to Back. Then adjust the image. You can move the circle and the text so that the image is visible, or you can adjust the transparency of the circle. Be creative. You can even change the color of the circle and get a preview every time you click on a color. The same goes for the text. When you click on the text, you can change the font style, the font size, the color, make it bold, italic, underlined, change the alignment, add a list, adjust the spacing of letters and the line height. Also, when you scroll down the left menus tab and click More, you can use Pexels and Pixabay to browse free images and directly add them to this section of your page. When you're done, click Download. Take note of the page number that you want to download and select it under this drop-down. Then click Download. It may take a while for your design to be downloaded. Now we have downloaded the image that we have customized. You can now use this on your Instagram profile and upload it. Now that you have learned how to create customized images for Instagram, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is how to schedule posts. You don't need to worry about posting content every single day. There are tools that you can find in automating your posts by scheduling them ahead of time. In this example, we will be looking at the app called Sprout Social. Go to their website and then click the Start Your Free Trial button. Let's choose the standard version. You have 30 days to try it for free. Input your details, then click Create Account. You can attach 5 social media accounts here. First, it's requiring me to attach my Twitter profile. Then click the Authorize App button. Next, we can add more from these options. Choose Instagram and link to your profile. Then click Authorize. Let's choose our LinkedIn profile too. Sign in, then allow Sprout Social, then click Connect. Then let's click Facebook. Continue as the user you're logged into Facebook, then click OK to allow the app. Customize your account. It will ask the name of your organization, how many people work there, are you a social media agency, the country you are located, your time zone, and your language. Click Next. Select Interests, then click Finish. Click Compose. First, it will allow you to upload content using the first social media platform you have added. Add a photo or a video. Then add your caption. Then choose a specific time and day to post this content. You can click Schedule or click this drop-down menu, and more options will be available for you, such as Duplicate and New Compose window. Let's choose Duplicate to post the same content on the other social media platforms that we have added. When you check the menus above, you can use the feeds to check your social media platforms in the section. When you click Publishing, you'll see a calendar view of your scheduled posts. Click the date when we schedule the post. Click these three dots and duplicate them. Select Profile, then choose the platforms that you wish to schedule content with this same content. Let's choose Instagram. Click this alarm icon. Now we can set the publisher under the alarm icon. Choose a date and click Schedule. We have successfully scheduled content to be posted on Instagram. We can click this eye icon to get a preview of this content. On this date, this content will be automatically posted on our Instagram profile. In this lesson, we're going to talk about growth hack using EverLiker to grow your Instagram. Go to EverLiker.com, and this will serve as your social media automation bot. This is a plugin for Google Chrome, so you must use Google Chrome for this to work. Click Get Chrome Plugin. You'll be directed to Chrome's extension download page. Click Add to Chrome. You'll see a pop-up window and click the Add Extension button. Once it's added, you'll be able to see the icon here. Click the EverLiker icon. Before you start the task, choose a task type. When clicking this drop-down arrow, you can choose from these options such as Like by Tags, Locations, Home Feed, Users Followers, Users Followings, and Tag Performance Report. Since we are using the free version, we can only use the Like by Tags for now. All these options are available for the paid version. Type in the hashtags that you want this plugin to like on your behalf. The default number of likes per day is 100. Start with this minimum likes, then slowly increasing your likes up to 400 so that you won't be banned from spamming. Whatever hashtags you include in your EverLiker tags list, EverLiker will like them automatically, and if you're using the Pro version, it can follow any user who uses the hashtags that you include in the list. EverLiker saves you time in manually browsing your feed and searching for people on Instagram to like their posts. You can try it first for free, then when you like the results, you can pay for the Pro version, which only costs $5 per month. It will allow you to spend less on Instagram just to do the tasks that EverLiker can do for you automatically. And you'll have more time in doing more business activities to focus on. Now that you have learned about using EverLiker to grow your Instagram, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is Instagram Hashtags Finder. It is important to use hashtags when you post your content on Instagram so that it will help your brand be known to more people and boost results. We will use displaypurposes.com to boost our posts with hashtags. Use your mobile phone to access displaypurposes.com's website. Click this icon to add this website to your home screen. Then click the Add button. You can see that it looks like an app, but it actually is a direct link to displaypurposes.com, and it opens using the Firefox browser. It can also be a different browser, depending on what you use. We can even add this to a folder to make it more organized. Click the icon. This website will help us with what popular hashtags that we can use in our posts. It recommends people to use a mixture of popular hashtags and a few of the less popular hashtags so that you can stand a chance in the top searches. In this example, you can use this format to use the results of hashtags you can use with these 5 bullets or dots before the hashtags in the comment section. Click the search box and type in a hashtag. Then you'll get results of popular hashtags that you can use for that keyword you searched for. When you click the best hashtags, you can see the ranking of the best hashtags here. You can filter by these options. Then click the Copy Mode button. You can see the 5 dots here before the hashtags. You can now copy this section. Go to your Instagram mobile app. Choose an image from your gallery. Apply the default filter that you commonly use for your profile. Then click Share. Click the comment icon. Then paste the hashtags that we have copied from Display Purposes. Click Posts. It says too many hashtags, so let's delete some hashtags and post it again. Now that you have learned about Instagram Hashtags Finder, we can now proceed to the next chapter, which is an introduction to Instagram ads. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.